Saturday morning. 7 o'clock. Foxy's done flying with the Fockers.
He's got his pants on.
Dave just got his pants on. He was running around here naked. Show us that burn mark, Dave. Mary Lou, look at that. You're going to have to put something on that. Just a minute. Right, pull your shirt up. Mary Lou, he's going to need help with this one.
Murphy's going to pay for that.
Pay for what?
Cup of coffee.
Burning my ass. Cunt.
Style.
It's you.
What are we having for breakfast this morning, this fine Saturday morning? Big buddy.
Big cheek of my ass. Slam. Chris. See no fucking funny about it.